Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I am featuring the Country Club Designer Series paper. We do often hear that there's not enough masculine card designs out there, so I figured this would fit the bill. Now, this paper is featured on page 47 of the new catalog. It's a part of the Country Club suite. This is how your card kit should come. There's two examples. I tried to give you two, like the green one and the yellow one, and the paper can be mismatched. So obviously this bigger piece goes on the top, and then the two pieces go on the inside. Now I'm just adhering this little gold strip. You might find that it has some adhesive on it. If not, then you just have to use glue. Some folks I did leave adhesive on there for you. And if I was imperfect in my cutting, this is how to fix that little problem. You just take that strip and then you cut it in half, and then the label that you put over top of it will actually cover that gap. So that's a little trick in case you want to stretch that gold strip. All right, so the little pattern piece here goes on the bottom. This is an Argyle pattern. You should see the Absolutely Argyle 3D embossing folder. It's super cute. It's also in the suite. I'm using Tombow glue here, but you could use whatever dry adhesive or wet adhesive that you like. And of course, I did give you two examples with two envelopes. The label piece here was used from the Christmas rose dies. I'm not sure if you can still get that or not, so forgive me. I'm kind of out of the loop these days, but I'm picking up stride. So I've stamped my red rubber stamp here with my StazOn ink. I find I get a really nice crisp impression. And now I'm stamping off with Smoky Slate. And of course you could use whatever sentiment you have, whatever you want. I thought this went very nicely. It's understated, makes the sentiment stand out, and it does give you that country club feel. I quite like this card. Very simple, easy to put together. I don't know who gave me this idea. It was a part of a swap, so thank you, whoever it was. And thank you for shopping with me this month. I really appreciate you. I will see you again in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are two more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.